Francis. Oh, you little whore. You're drooling. Are you drooling? I see your drool. You're gross. You're so gross.
U.S. officials say there are gaps in intelligence, and launching airstrikes without civilian casualties is very challenging. This photo illustrates why. Determining the ISIS extremist fighters from the civilians around them on the ground is difficult. From the air, nearly impossible.
It's not as easy as looking at an iPhone video or an immediate perspective.
Hey, look at me. Hey, 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 you. Oh, you look so miserable.
Back here, a Philadelphia funeral director charged with stealing hundreds of thousands of dollars from an elderly woman made a statement today. Speaking for